Tahoe. This is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update to the last version of iOS 26. That is release candidate, that is iOS 26 RC. Today, couple of hours ago, it has released after the Apple iPhone 17 event. So let's go for this purpose. You have to go inside the setting. In setting, you have to go to here, general. In general, you have to go software update. So when you go inside, you'll see this one, iOS 26. Doesn't say more, beta 9, beta 8. So last one was beta 9 because this is RC version. That means release candidate. So this version will be the similar for the final version for the public. So this is for the developer. So in case if you don't have developer account, you're not gonna see this one. And that case, to go to Apple website to make a developer account. So let's go do some procedure. You have to open any browser. You have to go to Safari. Go inside Safari. Type here Apple developers. Here. The first one you see iOS app developers, not that one, that is ads. Here, this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers, you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree. Customize experience and all that, get started. Skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all the things. So this is Apple developer is activated. Now we'll go to the setting again. Also at the top, if it's not appear, you can click this button. You have to put automatic install on. Also beta update, you see here, it should be iOS beta developer. Is for the developer. You can check this one. Also, you have to check the eligibility of your phone. Not all the iPhone gonna get this version of beta. You have to have from iPhone 11 till iPhone 16. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you have some version of iPhone X or iPhone 9 or other, not gonna work this one, guys. So you have to try another way. Okay, after doing that, one most important thing, you have to do a backup in case if you want to revert or go back the previous version. You don't want to lose your data, so you have to go inside. Here you say your name. To go inside here, I have Harry Jeffrey. Here you will see iCloud 5 gigabytes. So iCloud gives you a backup option, so you can back up everything of your phone in iCloud directly. Normally 5 gigabytes. If you have more than that, your data, games or picture, you have to purchase more backup. Here iCloud backup I have done 19 hours ago. I go inside and I hit backup now. This is super important, guys. Hit backup now. Continue button is backing up. It will take a couple of minutes in this case. So backup is done. I go back again to general, software update. So I'm sure now because I have backup, I can update without losing any data. I hit update now. You have to put your passcode. Another important thing, your charge should be full or connect with the charger. Here now you have term and condition because this is RC release candidate. So you will see all the things here. Agree term and condition. Agree on that. Update requested. It was almost 9 gigabytes of software. So we have to wait a little bit on this case. It will take 12 minutes to update. Meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea and coffee and I will be back. The phone gonna restart couple of times. Let's see. After restarting couple of time, it comes to welcome screen. You can see here, hello, in different languages. You have to slide up. You have to put your passwords. Software update completed. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 26 RC version. Hit continue. Lovely welcome screen. More welcome screen. If you want to share phone analytic, don't share. If you want to set up your Siri, you can do that. I'm gonna set up later. One more time, welcome screen, get it started. I hit this one. Lovely. There are not a big changes here and there in this app, only in Apple Watch section. If you have Apple Watch, I have an older version of Apple Watch. There's some changes. Let me go. Some changes on watch faces, but for me, I don't see any. If you have a new version of Apple Watch, you may see some new watch faces. As other things more or less same as beta 9. Let's see the built version of this one. So this is the last built version you can see for iOS 26 23.8.3.4.0. There is no AB at the ending number. So this will be the same, I think, to the final version to the public. So this is the way you can update your iPhone to the last beta version of iOS, that is RC release candidate. So before people, you can try this on. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.